Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Kolkata Knight Riders. 31st IPL match played at Abu Dhabi. RCB won the toss and decided to bat first. Highlights: RCB scored 92 runs with 10 wickets. In RCB squad, Devdutt Padikkal 22 runs from 20 balls, Srikar Bharat 16 runs from 19 balls, Yuzvendra Chahal 1 wicket with 23 runs, KKR 94 runs with 1 wicket. In KKR squad, Shubman Gill 48 runs with 34 balls, Venkatesh Iyer 41 runs from 27 balls, Andrew Russell 3 wickets with 9 runs, Varun Chakravarti 3 wickets with 13 runs. KKR won by 9 wickets. Player of the match Varun Chakravarti. First over, bowler Varun Chakravarti, batsmen Virat Kohli and Devdutt Padikkal. In this over, RCB scored 4 runs. After first over, Kohli 1 run from 2 balls, Padikkal 3 runs from 4 balls, RCB 4 runs with no loss. Second over, bowler Prasidh Krishna. In this over, RCB scored 8 runs. Virat Kohli 4 runs from 2 balls, then out by LBW, he scored 5 runs from 4 balls with 1-4. Then KS Bharat came to bat. In this over, Padikkal 3 runs from 2 balls, Bharat 2 runs from 2 balls. After second over, Padikkal 4 runs from 6 balls, Bharat 2 runs from 2 balls, RCB 12 runs with 1 wicket. Third over, bowler Ferguson. In this over, RCB scored 8 runs. In this over, Padikkal 6 runs from 3 balls. In that 1-4, Bharat 2 runs from 3 balls. After third over, Padikkal 10 runs from 9 balls, Bharat 4 runs from 5 balls, RCB 20 runs with 1 wicket. Fourth over, bowler Prasidh Krishna. In this over, RCB scored 8 runs. In this over, Padikkal 5 runs from 3 balls. In the 5-1-4, Bharat 3 runs from 5 balls. After fourth over, Padikkal 15 runs from 12 balls, Bharat 5 runs from 10 balls, RCB 28 runs with 1 wicket. Fifth over, bowler Narain. In this over, RCB scored 7 runs. Padikkal 2 runs from 4 balls, Bharat 5 runs from 2 balls. In that 1-4, after fifth over, Padikkal 17 runs from 16 balls, Bharat 10 runs from 12 balls, RCB 35 runs with 1 wicket. Sixth over, bowler Ferguson. In this over, RCB scored 6 runs. Padikkal 5 runs from 4 balls, then out, catch by Karthik. He scored 22 runs from 20 balls with 3 fours. In this over, Bharat 1 run from 2 balls. After 6th over, Bharat 11 runs from 14 balls, RCB 41 runs with 2 wickets. 7th over, bowler Russell. After Padikkal, Maxwell came to bat. In this over, RCB scored 6 runs. Bharat 4 runs from 3 balls, Maxwell 2 runs from 3 balls. After 7th over, Bharat 15 runs from 17 balls, Maxwell 2 runs from 3 balls, RCB 47 runs with 2 wickets. 8th over, bowler Narain. In this over, RCB scored 4 runs. Bharat 1 run from 1 ball, Maxwell 3 runs from 5 balls. After 8th over, Bharat 16 runs from 18 balls, Maxwell 5 runs from 8 balls, RCB 51 runs with 2 wickets. 9th over, bowler Russell. In this over, RCB scored 1 run. Bharat catch by Shubman Gill. He scored 16 runs from 19 balls with 1-4. Then AB de Villiers came to bat. He bowled first ball. He scored 0 runs from one ball. Then Sachin Baby came to bat. Maxwell 1 run from 2 balls. Sachin 0 runs from 2 balls. After 9th over, Sachin Baby 0 runs from 2 balls. Maxwell 6 runs from 10 balls. RCB 52 runs with 4 wickets. 10th over, bowler Prasidh Krishna. In this over, RCB scored 2 runs. Maxwell 1 run from 2 balls. Sachin Baby 1 run from 4 balls. After 10th over, Maxwell 7 runs from 12 balls. Sachin Baby 1 run from 6 balls. RCB 54 runs with 4 wickets. 11th over, bowler Ferguson. In this over, RCB scored 6 runs. Maxwell 2 runs from 3 balls. Sachin Baby 3 runs from 4 balls. After 11th over, Maxwell 9 runs from 15 balls. Sachin Baby 4 runs from 10 runs. RCB 60 runs with 4 wickets. 12th over, bowler Varun Chakravarti. In this over, RCB scored 3 runs. Maxwell 1 run from 2 balls and bowled. He scored 10 runs from 17 balls. Then Hasaranga De Silva came to bat and out by LBW. He did not score any run. And then Jamieson came to bat and scored 0 runs from 1 ball in this over. Sachin Baby 2 runs from 2 balls. After 12th over, Jamieson 0 runs from 1 ball. Sachin Baby 6 runs from 12 balls. RCB 63 runs with 6 wickets. 13th over, bowler Narain. In this over, RCB scored 3 runs. Jameson 1 run from 5 balls. Baby 1 run from 1 ball. After 13th over, Jameson 2 runs from 6 balls. Baby 7 runs from 13 balls. RCB 66 runs with 6 wickets. 14th over, bowler Varun Chakravarti. In this over, RCB scored 2 runs. Sachin Baby did not score any run from in this over 4 balls and out catch by Reina. He scored 7 runs from 17 balls and then Patel came to bat. He scored 2 runs from 2 balls in this over. After 14th over, Patel 2 runs from 2 balls. Jameson 2 runs from 6 balls. RCB 68 runs with 7 wickets. 15th over, bowler Narain. In this over, RCB scored 7 runs. Patil 5 runs from 2 balls in that 1-4. Jameson 1 run from 4 balls. After 15th over, Patil 7 runs from 4 balls. Jameson 3 runs from 10 balls. RCB 75 runs with 7. 16th over, bowler Varun Chakravarti. In this over, RCB scored 4 runs. Jameson 1 run from 2 balls and run out by Varun Chakravarti. He scored 4 runs from 12 balls and then Mohammad Siraj came to bat. He scored 2 runs from 1 ball in this over. Harshal Patel 1 run from 3 balls. After 16th over, Mohammad Siraj 2 runs from 1 ball. Patil 8 runs from 7 balls. RCB 79 runs with 8 wickets. 17th over, bowler Ferguson. In this over, RCB scored 4 runs. In this over, Patil scored 4 runs from 3 balls in that 1-4 and bowled. He scored 12 runs from 10 balls with 2 fours and then Chahal came to bat. He did not score any run from 3 balls in this over. After 17th over, Chahal 0 runs from 3 balls. Mohammad Siraj 2 runs from 1 ball. RCB 83 runs with 9 wickets. 18th over, bowler Prasidh Krishna. In this over, RCB scored 6 runs. Chahal 1 run from 1 ball. Siraj 5 runs from 5 balls in that 1-4. After 18th over, Chahal 1 run from 4 balls. Siraj 7 runs from 6 balls. RCB 89 runs with 9 wickets. 19th over, bowler Rashul. In this over, RCB scored 3 runs. Siraj 1 run from 4 balls and out. Catch by Varun Chakravarti. He scored 8 runs from 10 balls with 1-4. Chahal 1 run from 2 balls. After 19th over, Chahal 2 runs from 6 balls. RCB all out 92 runs. First over, bowler Mohammad Siraj. Batsmen Shubman Gill, Venkatesh Iyer. In this over, KKR scored 10 runs. Shubman Gill 1 run from 2 balls. Iyer 8 runs from 4 balls in that 2-4s. After first over, Shubman Gill 1 run from 2 balls. Iyer 8 runs from 4 balls. KKR 10 runs with no loss. Second over, bowler Jamieson. In this over, KKR scored 10 runs. Shubman Gill 7 runs from 5 balls in that 1-4. Iyer 1 run from 1 ball. After second over, Gill 8 runs from 7 ball. Iyer 9 runs from 5 balls. KKR 20 runs with no loss. Third over, bowler Siraj. In this over, KKR scored 2 runs. Venkatesh Iyer 2 runs from 6 balls. After third over, Gill 8 runs from 7 balls. Iyer 11 runs from 11 balls. KKR 22 runs with no loss. Fourth over, bowler Hasaranga De Silva. In this over, KKR scored 7 runs. Gill 2 runs from 2 balls. Iyer 5 runs from 4 balls in that 1-4. After 4th over, Gill 10 runs from 9 balls. Iyer 16 runs from 15 balls. KKR 29 runs with no loss. 5th over, bowler Jamieson. In this over, KKR scored 16 runs. Gill 9 runs from 6 balls. In that 2-4, Iyer 6 runs from 1 ball in that 1-6. After 5th over, Gill 19 runs from 15 balls. Iyer 22 runs from 16 balls. KKR 45 runs with no loss. 6th over, bowler Chahal. In this over, KKR scored 11 runs. Gill 11 runs from 6 balls in the 2-4s. After 6th over, Gill 30 runs from 21 balls. Iyer 22 runs from 16 balls. KKR 56 runs with no loss. 7th over, bowler Patil. In this over, KKR scored 6 runs. Gill 3 runs from 3 runs. Iyer 2 runs from 3 balls. After 7th over, Gill 33 runs from 24 balls. Iyer 24 runs from 19 balls. KKR 62 runs with no loss. 8th over, bowler De Silva. In this over, KKR scored 13 runs. Gill 9 runs from 5 balls in that 1-6. Iyer 4 runs from 1 ball, that is 4. After 8th over, Gill 42 runs from 29 balls. Iyer 28 runs from 20 balls. KKR 75 runs with no loss. 9th over, bowler Patil. In this over, KKR scored 7 runs. Gill 6 runs from 4 balls in that 1-4. Iyer 1 run from 2 balls. After 9th over, Gill 48 runs from 33 balls. Iyer 29 runs from 22 balls. KKR 82 runs with no loss. 10th over, bowler Chahal. In this over, KKR scored 12 runs. Shubman Gill out, catch by Mohammad Siraj, he scored 48 runs from 34 balls with 4 sixes and 1 6. Then Andrew Russell came to bat. Venkatesh Iyer 12 runs from 5 balls in this over, 3 fours in this over by Venkatesh Iyer. After 10th over, Venkatesh Iyer 41 runs with 27 balls. KKR won by this match with 9 wickets.